Hello, in today's episode of Beardchanics Garage I'm going to have a crack at testing out the myth of using Coca-Cola to remove rust from a chrome exhaust. Or from chrome, or apparently it also removes rust from like stainless steel and things like that. So yeah, let's go and give it a go. I'm going to be using a mixture of aluminium foil, and I've also got a copper brush which I'll probably try and use as well. Copper and aluminium are both softer metals than chrome, so it shouldn't scratch or anything like that. So yeah, let's go and have a try. It's actually working. It's definitely looking better. Let's try the wire brush. Looks like aluminium foil works the best. Oh. Yes, I'm not sure now if I'm actually just really badly scratching the pipe or not. I think I am. Let's just try. Generally, as long as you're using a softer metal than the chrome, you're okay. Yeah, I think I've scratched this up quite nicely now. So I'll have to polish that and buff it out. He's getting rid of the rust though, slowly. I'm quite surprised. I was hoping that would work. Again, it is removing the rust, but I don't know if you can tell. But this is now scratched up all the chrome. Now this is a soft metal, so it's supposed to not scratch it. Which is why beforehand I've used the copper brush. So I reckon with more coke and more going over this more times, that will get rid of it. I'm not too sure I'd recommend it though. Yeah, I actually thought that the aluminium foil would be softer than the chrome. I mean, it's scratched anyway, so it sort of looks better without the rust on it. This is so badly rusted that it's not coming off. But, results I've seen on YouTube have been far better. I mean, it does look better than it did. I'll have to compare some before and after pictures. But it's definitely scratched up the chrome. I'm going to have to polish that and buff it to polish it up, get it shiny again. But I mean, that needed doing anyway. So as far as the rust treatment goes, I suppose it does work. but it's not as magical as I thought it was going to be. Has got it down in some places. I think it just needs more elbow grease and some more coke. See if I can get rid of these bad bits on the top. Okay, well, I can see it has got rid of some. Again, it's not as dramatic as I was hoping for. This is someone says something about neutralising the acid in the coke. So just going to get a good old spray over with some WD. Oh, hold on. Try to put the lid back on that. Dickhead. Oh, not as effective as I was hoping, but has made an improvement. Just does need buffering afterwards to get that shine back. I'll look and see if I've got any chrome polish now. Okay, so that didn't work quite as well as I'd hoped, but going back over the footage again, it has actually removed a lot of the rust. The problem is, I think that some of that rust is quite deep and is going to take a lot more than just a small amount of foil paper and and coke to remove. So I'll have to keep going with that. I'm going to try some more abrasive stuff, and I need something to actually polish the chrome back up as well to restore that mirror finish. From what I can tell, I've looked at a few other videos as well online of people rust treating their chrome, and they use a very like the finest grade of steel wool that they can, but also that aluminium foil is supposed to be pretty good as well. I think the problem is because the rust was so deep and it was taking a lot to get it off, I was rubbing a lot harder than I should have been, which is why it's kind of taken that mirror shine off. So if you're going to do it, definitely give it a tester on a small area first, and if it's as rusty as that, then maybe another method is going to be what's needed. So next step, I've got some chrome polish. I'm going to give that a go and see if I can actually bring it back up again with what I've got. Otherwise, yeah, I will have to go to B&Q's and get something a bit more abrasive. So I'll give that a try first, actually, and then if that doesn't work, then I'll have to see what else I can find. So hope you enjoyed that at least. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, where I'll try and make my exhaust look a little bit better. So take care. Bye bye.